Let's talk briefly about the documented annotation. By default, the Java doc tool doesn't include annotations in the generated API documentation. However, if an annotation is annotated with documented, the Java doc tool will include the documentation for the annotation in the docs. In the documentation, the myClass class will not include the annotations. So for example, the method talk will not indicate that the return type is annotated. This is how it looks by default. The annotation is not included. Including it will make the documentation more complete and help the reader get the whole picture. We will add the documented annotation and regenerate the Java doc. We can now see that the annotation is correctly included in the documentation. It can be clicked to read more about the annotation, and details about it will be displayed.